Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on medium verification level on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click here. Now click settings, and here as you see you will find moderation. Click on it, and here as you see you will find this medium. Click on it like this, and after this click save, and it will be saved. And that's it. That's how to turn on medium verification level on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end. And see you in the next video.